first what you want to do is go to UI, go to canvas, create canvas, then go to UI, create button, and you can do whatever you want with that. Go to text, change the text to play, and do the maybe change the font 7 and okay, and you want to change when you hover over the image or what the image looks like. You go over here, change that. Or when you click on the image, just do that. Now, click on it, do all that, but you still can't go to another scene. So I already have another scene made out here. So play, and then this is just my main scene. So first what you want to do is open up your script. I got this script right here. I'll go and open it up out here. And I kind of added too much. But first what you want to do is you want to make sure you have Unity Engine.scene management so you can actually change your scene. And then you're gonna have it here, make it public void, and then whatever you want to name it, just name it right here. I'll name it play since that's what my next scene is. You go to scene manager, load scene, then all that, then build the next +1 because your next scene is just 1, and then so on and so on. So we'll do that. And what you want to do is go down to your button, add that, go to your canvas, go to oh yeah, you want to add your script, your button script. Almost forgot. You can just go down here, add button script, and then function. Oh yeah, you gotta add. Let me find it. Oh wait, you gotta create an object. UI empty chat. You go to canvas, button, then put your game object right here. Go to button, then play game. And then voila, you did it. Now to be able to go to your, like have another scene go to have a button go to another scene. I'll do that right now. So like this one, just options, save, and then we'll open up that. We'll copy this. do that here, and all you have to do is do C2, and then we'll name it whatever. Boo. Then command save. Oh yeah, you wanna make sure you have another seed, so let me just go ahead and make another seed real quick. I'll make that boo. Then go to your button, your second button, and go to boo. Wait, it's not working. Wait, I did something wrong. Oh wait, I think it just. Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, I did add it to the build settings. You gotta make sure you gotta add it to the build settings. That's where a lot of people mess up. Or is that just me? Now go to options, and voila, it's done. Thanks for watching.